What's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like the video, and make sure you join the free Telegram group. Every day I share in a free Telegram group. Every day I share my the trades that I'm about to take. I always make sure I share them in the free Telegram group so that everybody can see which trade we are paying attention to. You know what I'm saying? Or else you can join our VIP group where we always share our our signals every day. You know what I'm saying? The promise out there. So today video we got 6 things which you need to keep in your mind if you want to become profitable trader. So first thing first, proper risk management. Let's say use proper risk management according to your account. If you got small account, use proper risk management. If you got big account, make sure you use as well a proper risk management. When I talk about proper risk management, I mean like you need to understand the lot size which you're going to be using according to your account. You know what I'm saying? So we already talked about this in a previous video. You know what I'm saying? If you still want to know like how to use the proper lot size and type stuff like that, just leave the comment below, then I'm gonna do the other video for you guys. You know what I'm saying? So the second thing, guys, take a trade on light time. You know what I'm saying? Take the trade on light time. When I say take the trade on light time, means that if you are taking your trade from using like zone strategy, you know what I'm saying, just make sure you took the trade when the market just bounced to the zone and give you the as soon as the market gave you the pullback, get in. You know what I'm saying? Don't jump, do not jump in the market like when the market already moved like 50 pips and then you want to move in. You know what I'm saying? That's very dangerous. All right, so the third one. So before we jump to the third one, please, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and like the video. You know what I'm saying? And leave the comment below. Let me know which between these 6 things. Just let me know. Make sure you watch the full video. Then leave the comment below. And let me know which one are you struggling about. Then it's gonna help me when I do the second video. It's gonna help me to it's gonna help me to know, like, to be able to understand which people I need to help the most. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you leave the comment below. Okay, cool. Let's jump to the third one. So the third one is, do not close the trade. All right, once you already put your stop loss and your take profit, don't close the trade just because it's running to the loss. Because what is going to happen to you is you're going to take the trade, you're going to put the stop loss, and then as soon as the market is still playing between the stop loss and the break even, which you're going to be running in the red, so you're going to be running in the red, which is going to be in the loss, of course, and then you're going to close the trade manual with a loss, which is no. And I say, traders don't close the trade when the trade haven't hit your stop loss yet. So it's two ways. You either let the market hit the TP or let the market hit the stop loss, because you have a reason to put that stop loss. So don't do anything. You can even walk away from the market. All right, so 40th thing. All right, fourth thing. All right, this is fourth thing, the most important one. I said, guys, this is more important. I say, every single time you took the trade and then you see the market already like move 20 pips, always remember shift your stop loss, say, from where the stop loss was before you take the trade and shift your stop loss inside the profit. You can either close like a 10 pips, half of your profit, you know, say, because you know the market how it moves, like sometimes, you know, it might give you the profit and take it back, you know, say. So you might either shift the stop loss, like I'm talking about when the market already moved like 20 pips. You can either lock 10 pips and let the market keep landing for you, right? Or you can just shift your stop loss to the break even, so that whatever the market is going to come back and hit you out, it's going to hit you out with a zero loss. You feel what I'm saying? That's how I do it. Yeah, that's how I do it. Yeah, even today, it did happen to me like that way. I took which trade was that? Let me check. I took Elocate. It gave me something about 15 pips. Yeah, I say 15 pips, and then I shifted my stop loss, you know, I say to the break even. And then after the 15 pips, the market came back up, you know, I say, and hit us outside, you know, I say, and hit us outside, break the stop loss. And you know, we were selling the currency, but maybe because that move happens around 2:30, which was like news time, so I think it was just the news, you know, I say the market had to change the direction, because the market was clear going on downside. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna put the screenshot right here. It was clear going on downtrend, and then the market decided to break, to change direction. So I wasn't surprised, because it was the news time, and I say, so that's how it happened. So keep that in mind. Every single time the market move 20 pips, shift the stop loss into the profit, or you can shift the stop loss at the break even. All right, 2 more left. You know, I say, always remember, right? Always remember this. And this is, I think this was supposed to be the first thing, and I say, but I decided to make it the last thing, you know, I say, which is more important. Always use the same lot size, you know, I say, because this is happening a lot by too many traders, you know, I say, you take this trade, you use 0.010, you take another trade, you use 0.05, you take another trade, you use 0.050, you take another trade, you use you use a one lot. Why are you doing that? That is more dangerous, you know, I say, you put your account in a risk which you don't know what you want, you know, I say. Go out there, find yourself the light lot size which you're going to be using according to your account balance, you know what I'm saying. If you have a small account, find one lot size which you're going to be using by taking your trades, you know what I'm saying. Once you lose with the same lot size. Once you win with the same lot size. Stop switching the lot size every single minute. Each and every lot size, you're allowed to change the lot size after 30 days. After 30 days, then you're allowed to change the lot size. Let's say you've been using 0.010, and then you are like, oh, I want to switch the lot size. You can switch the lot size after 30 days. You can use same lot size. After 30 days, then you can be able to change the lot size. And I'm sure a lot of traders, bro, they are losing their money without knowing why they are losing. You know what I'm saying? That's the most important thing. And the other thing is, always, every single trade you take, do not forget to put the stop loss. Because I've been here, I had this kind of, noises too much. Like, yo, you know what happened to this trade, to my account, bro? broke my account because I took the trade and I forget to put a stop loss. You know, I say, why do you forget to put a stop loss, bro? Like, why? No, do not forget to put the stop loss. As soon as you place the trade, let's say you just want to buy the trade, you bought the trade, put the stop loss at the same time. Put the stop loss at the same time and put the take profit at the same time. You understand? Before you even take the trade, you already know how much money am I willing to make from this trade and how much money am I willing to lose from this trade. You know what I say? So you already know everything. So that's why once I take the trade, I place my trade, like boom, I already know this trade I'm gonna make $500. I'm gonna lose if my trade didn't go on my way. I'm gonna lose $100. I already know. So I don't pressure. I'm not gonna be pressurized myself. Oh, let me take the profit. Let me do this. No. All I'm gonna do is to protect my account. Once the market, you know, move 20 pips, I always lock half. Or I just gonna shift the stop loss to the break even. Easy like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, man, and this is the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like the video, and make sure you join the free Telegram group. Every day I share in a free Telegram group. Every day I share my, you know, the trades that I'm about to take. I always make sure I share them in the free Telegram group so that everybody can see which trade we are paying attention to. You know what I'm saying? Or else you can join our VIP group where we always share our, you know, our signals every day. You know what I'm saying? The problem is out there. You know what I'm saying? So do the right things. Join the free Telegram group. The links in the description below. Make sure you do the right things. Make sure you like the video for your boy. You know what I'm saying? Peace out.